Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to select Gemini as Google Assistant. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the video. And so what I'm going to do here exactly, first of all I need to download Gemini. And if you already have Gemini downloaded, so just go for the process. And then I'll go and open my Gemini app as you can see over here, which is on the left side. So once I download it, I'm going to click on Gemini over here, easily and simple. And here you have access Gemini faster. So just click on go to Play Store over here and click on install. And now once I install, just click on open as you can see over here. And so once you open it, you'll be asked to switch to be Google Assistant. So just click on switch and then accept the terms and conditions of use. And that's how you can use Gemini as your Google Assistant. At the end, that was on today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.